As we have completed introduction, classification, fatal dose, fatal period, sign and symptoms, treatment part, then we'll come to the about the medical aspect. Medical aspect is accidental, which is mostly happens while handling the products. Then suicidal, because it is easily available across the counter, and homicidal, rare because it has got the strong smell. Details we will see in the further clips. Postmortem appearance, no specific anatomic, found in the acute poisoning. The changes are suggestive of asphyxia. The appearance are external and internal. The face is cyanosed. There is a froth at nose and mouth, and the froth may be blood stained. Kerosene-like smell may be perceived. We have different poisons which has got the strong smell. One of them is the alcohol, kerosene, carbolic acid, and one more is OPP poisoning. Froth at mouth you may get in some asphyxial cases also, drowning cases also, and snake poisoning. These are the findings comes in the postmortem examination, where you need to differentiate if there is a froth at mouth and nose. Then internally the stomach contains greenish oily substances used as dilutants, and their kerosene-like or garlic-like smell is easily perceived. The content of the stomach are blood-stained and the mucosa are congested, and the submucous petechial hemorrhages are seen. The other postmortem findings are pulmonary edema, capillary dilatation, petechial hemorrhages, and hyperemia of lung, brain, and other organs. How OPP affects the body? Organophosphate compounds or insecticides such as diazinon, which is very commonly used, is one of the pesticides that works by damaging an enzyme in the body called acetylcholinesterase. This enzyme is critical for controlling the nerve signals in the body. The damage to this enzyme kills the pets and may cause unwanted side effects in the exposed humans. This is how OPP affects the body. Management of the OPP poisoning. It includes atropine, PAM2, and diazepam. Initial management must be focused on the adequate use of atropine. Optimizing the oxygenation prior to the use of atropine is recommended to minimize the potential for dysarrhythmias. Atropine is not an actual antidote for the OPP, but it reduces the effect of the poisoning by blocking the muscarinic receptors, which would otherwise be overstimulated by excessive acetylcholine accumulation. Cause of death in OPP. Suicide attempt is farming areas of the developing world and less commonly by the accident. Route of administration exposure can be from drinking, breathing in vapors, or skin exposure. There are nearly 3 million poisonings per year, resulting in 200,000 deaths. Around 50% of the people who are poisoned die as a result. Test for the OPP. How to diagnose that OPP poisoning is there? Most commonly used test for confirm the acute OPP poisoning is by the clinical symptoms. Poisoning is measurement of plasma cholinesterase activity, that is butyryl cholinesterase in the blood. It usually declines to less than 50% of the normal value before any symptoms of the poisoning observed. OPP are the common class of insecticides. Poisoning can occur when you are exposed to them for long or at the high levels. It's typically colorless and have strong smell. How OPP kills you? Today OPP make up about 50% of the killing agents in the chemical pesticides. The brain sends out neurotransmitters to the nerve endings in the body. OPP disrupts this process from occurring, and this chemical OPP works by disrupting the enzyme